If you are working hard every single month, but somehow your bank account always ends up close to zero before payday, stop blaming your salary. The problem isn't how much money you make. The problem is that nobody ever taught you how to direct your cash flow. Most people treat their income like a bucket with 10 hidden holes at the bottom, wondering why it never stays full. Today, we are fixing that permanently. In this video, I am breaking down the exact step-by-step 50-30-20 budgeting system designed specifically for beginners. No complicated spreadsheets, no extreme sacrifices, and no cutting out every single thing you enjoy. By the end of this video, you will have a rock-solid, automated roadmap to turn your paycheck into long-term financial security. Let's get straight into it. Before we dive into the numbers, let's clear up a major myth. Budgeting is not about restricting your life. Budgeting is simply giving every single dollar a job before you spend it. When you don't assign a job to your money, it disappears on impulse buys, forgotten subscriptions, and late-night food deliveries. The framework we are using today is called the 50-30-20 rule. It was popularized by financial experts because it removes the guesswork completely. We are going to split your net income, that is the money that actually hits your bank account after taxes, into 3 distinct buckets: needs, wants, and savings, or debt payoff. Let's build your bucket system step by step. Bucket number 1 is your needs. Exactly 50% of your take-home pay should cover your absolute essentials. These are the expenses you cannot avoid without facing serious consequences. What counts as a need? Rent or mortgage payments, basic utilities like electricity and water, minimum debt payments, groceries, essential transportation, and basic insurance. Notice the word basic. Groceries mean fuel for your body from the supermarket. It does not mean dining out at a restaurant or grabbing a daily $10 coffee. Here is where most beginners fail. They classify their wants as needs. Your high-speed premium Wi-Fi package might feel essential, but a basic internet plan is the actual need. Your car payment for a brand new vehicle might feel mandatory, but basic transportation is the true requirement. If you calculate your monthly essential expenses right now and realize they take up 60 or 70% of your income, do not panic. This is extremely common when starting out. It simply means one of two things. Either your fixed costs are currently too high for your current income level, or you need to temporarily trim non-essential upgrades until your income increases. Write down every single essential bill you paid last month, total them up, and compare that number to half of your monthly income. Now for the bucket everyone loves, your wants. 30% of your income goes toward lifestyle choices and enjoyment. This is the secret reason why strict budgets fail. If you try to eliminate all fun from your life, you will eventually burn out and binge spend, just like going on an unsustainable crash diet. Your 30% covers dining out, gym memberships, streaming subscriptions, hobbies, vacations, designer clothes, and entertainment. This is money you are allowed to spend completely guilt-free, provided you stay within the limit. The power of this bucket lies in intentionality. Instead of blindly spending money on things you don't even care about, you choose what actually brings you value. If you love traveling, you might allocate most of your 30% toward a trip fund and cut back on eating out. If you love gaming or technology, you prioritize that and cut back on clothes shopping. If you want to master this section immediately, perform a subscription audit today. Open your bank statement from last month, highlight every recurring monthly charge, and cancel every service you haven't used in the last 30 days. You will be amazed at how much cash instantly flows back into your 30% bucket. This final bucket is the most critical for your long-term wealth, 20% reserved strictly for financial goals. This is the money that buys your future freedom. If you have high-interest consumer debt, like credit cards or personal loans with interest rates above 8%, this 20% goes directly toward paying off those balances as fast as humanly possible. High-interest debt is a financial emergency that destroys your compounding potential. Once high-interest debt is eliminated, this entire 20% gets channeled into two primary areas: building an emergency fund and investing for the future. An emergency fund should hold 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This acts as your financial shield against unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Once your shield is built, every dollar in this bucket should be funneled into wealth-generating assets such as broad market index funds or retirement accounts. While the 50% bucket keeps you alive today and the 30% bucket makes today enjoyable, this 20% bucket is what allows you to retire, build real assets, and escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap forever. Knowing the numbers is only half the battle. Executing consistently is where wealth is built. Human willpower is unreliable. If you rely on memory and discipline every month to manual transfer money into savings, you will eventually make excuses. The solution is total automation. Here is your setup guide. First, open separate bank accounts or sub-accounts specifically labeled for your needs, wants, and financial goals. Second, set up automatic transfers with your bank for the exact day your paycheck arrives. The moment your income hits your main account, your bank automatically routes 20% straight to your investment or savings account, 50% to your bill-paying account, and leaves 30% in your checking account for daily spending. When you automate your finances, you remove emotion and discipline from the equation. You pay yourself first automatically, ensuring your financial goals are met before you ever have the chance to waste the money. Managing your money is not about how smart you are, it is about building simple systems that keep you on track. Start with the 50-30-20 framework this week, automate your transfers, and watch your financial stress disappear. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button to help this video reach others who need to take control of their finances. Drop a comment below letting me know what percentage of your income are you currently saving each month. Don't forget to subscribe to Prosperity Pilot for actionable step-by-step money strategies every single week. Click the video on your screen right now to learn how to build your emergency fund from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.